Brian Brenner, CEO and founder of FirstPerson. I started the company 21 years ago. We exist to help employers find strategies around benefits, compensation, HR, sort of modernizing what has sort of been old school into the new world. And we do it in Indianapolis in central Indiana. So I met Mike Reynolds originally through a lot of my tech friends who are CEOs of tech companies and clients of mine. And I kept hearing Innovatemap come up, and I thought, I need to understand this better. When I met Mike, he was so clear on what Innovatemap does that I became interested. And really the problem that I was originally trying to solve, there's a lot of things I want to get accomplished over time, but the original problem that Mike helped me with is this idea of how do I get my team thinking differently about the digital world and what our footprint really should be. Because we have historically not known that. And I knew that as I was listening to some of my team members, I'm thinking, that's not quite right. Yeah, so all my experiences with Innovatemap have been positive. The people are so great, and this was no exception. The beginning of it was really spending time with us, asking a lot of questions. What are we hoping to get out of the Spark Day? What is it we're really trying to solve? Meeting with other executives from my team to work through that. So I think that really set the stage for us having a great anticipation that this would be a great day. Upon the actual day of the Spark Day, we walked in and again, a very open environment, great people, instant resonance and camaraderie in the room, and it just was a fantastic day. People are now thinking differently, they're engaged differently, we're making different decisions. I feel much more on a sure foundation that I believe we can build and take this digital journey together and end in a good spot. And I'm sure we'll use Innovatemap again for further steps.